Today I'm going to be making my favourite chicken and butternut squash curry. So I'm using 2.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. So I'm using 2 bay leaves and 3 cardamoms. And then I'm using a tablespoon of garlic and a tablespoon of ginger. And I've put in 2 finely chopped onions. And then add a teaspoon of salt. And cover that for about a minute or 2 and allow the onions to soften. So now the onions are softened, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon of mixed curry powder, a touch of chili, and a tiny touch of garam masala. Give this a good stir and add a little touch of water just so the spices cook properly. And then you put the temperature to a low, not really a medium, more of a low, and cover the pan and allow the spices to cook properly. We'll leave that covered for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low temperature. I've cut 2 breasts of chicken into very small pieces and I'm just going to put that into the pan now and give it a good mix. It smells really good. So I've allowed the chicken to cook for a few minutes. And I'm using half of a butternut squash that I've cut into really tiny pieces. And then I'm just going to put that in now. I'll let the butternut squash and the chicken cook with the spices for a while. I'm going to cover it and just leave it. And then in a minute I'm going to add some water and then put it on a slow heat and just let it cook. It will take about maybe 10-15 minutes. Okay, so this is ready now, and